friends, I'm Kaira. Welcome to Come Play and Learn with me. So now we are going to draw a simple duck. My mama will show us that how to draw a duck. I will also draw, and you are all ready now? Come on, let's start with it.
Hello kids. For drawing we need drawing paper, pencil and eraser. Pencil should be sharp. So let's start. First, let us draw a circle.
Drawing a circle. My circle is not going properly.
Keep the down part of the circle open. You can rub it. Rub the side middle part of the circle little bit so we can draw a beak over there. Draw a small triangle pointing outward and one slanting triangle. Now draw two standing lines here and one more on this side and four curves and touch it to the standing line like this. One has completed. So Now another one, standing line 2 and 4 curves like this. And close it. Done. One curve for eyes, small downward open curve, dot 2-3 lines for eyelids, and then shade the middle part of the eyes. Do it black. And one more curve inside.
It's looking so nice, but I'll show you in the end.
Shade inside the eyes. And draw one downward open curve below the eyes. First we have to draw this head. Then this upward open curve, long one, and then this feather here, and then another feather, then beak and eyes, then these 2 legs.
It's simple.
Just watch and try.
So now let's color it. Yay!
5 little ducks with
I want to do it yellow.
hills and far away,
I'm going to do it very fast.
but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came swimming back. No little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Daddy duck said quack, 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 and all the 5 little ducks came back.
See, this duck is done. You can draw some grass down and clouds up, anything you want.
Mama, give me color.
Okay, now let's wait for Kyra.
Just over. These are 2 ducklings. Cute, cute. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Come play and learn with me. Please like, comment and subscribe.